Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dano Talam. Today I will explain about simple budgeting, which is a very important skill in our daily life, especially for students like you who receive allowance every day or every month. Before we start, I want to ask you something. Do you ever feel like your money runs out too quickly, even though you just receive your allowance?
Yes, sir. Sometimes I spend it too fast.
Yeah, that's happened because we don't plan how to use our money. That's why today we will learn budgeting so your money can last longer and be more useful. After this lesson, you will not only understand the theory, but you can also apply it in your daily life and manage your money better. To the next slide. What is budgeting? Budgeting means we plan our money before we spend it. Without a plan, we usually spend based on what we want, not what we need. For example, if you just got your allowance and immediately buy snacks, drinks, and other things, your money may run out quickly.
So budgeting is help us to not waste money?
Yes, exactly. It helps us become more disciplined. To the next slide, income and expense. Income is the money you receive, for example, your allowance or salary. Expense are the money you spend, like buying food, paying for transport, or shopping. A good budget means your expense should not be more than your income.
Sir, is buying snack is included in expenses?
Yes, even small things like snack are included in expense. The next slide is example for budgeting. Let's look at this example. If you get $100 per month, you should divide it into several categories. For example, $40 for food, $20 for transport, $20 for shopping, and another $20 is for other needs. Make sure your total spending is equal to your income, not more.
Why do we need to save money, sir?
Yeah, because saving helps us prepare for the future and for unexpected situation. Why is budgeting important? Budgeting helps you control your spending so you don't waste money on unnecessary things. It also helps you prepare for emergency, like when you suddenly need money. And it helps you achieve your goals. For example, buying something you really want. Example is like buying some shoes, buying a new phone, like that.
Like if we suddenly need money?
Yes, that is called an emergency. The next is step to make a budget. First, write how much money you have. Second is list your expense. Third is decide which one are more important. Needs should come before wants. Fourth, always save money, even a small amount. And last, review your budget regularly. Now I want to ask you, do you all manage your money?
Sometimes, but I often forget.
Yeah, that's okay. The important thing is you start practicing from now. What do you usually spend your money on?
Mostly for snack and online shopping.
Yeah, that's normal, but try to control it and don't forget to save money. So today we learned that budgeting helps us manage money wisely and responsibly. Alright everyone, before we finish, let me remind you again that budgeting is very important skill in your daily life. By making a simple budget, you can control your spending, save money, and avoid financial problems in the future. Even if you only have a small allowance, you can still manage it wisely if you plan it well. I hope after this lesson, you can start practicing budgeting in your daily life, starting from simple things. Remember, A good financial habit starts from small action. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.